Hi everybody, I'm Nina with Sharing a Journey. I wanted to share with you today something that is very near and dear to my heart. My relatives come from Scandinavia, and we have a practice that I adore called Hygge. It's a trend that was all over the internet in 2017, and this year in particular, it has been something that I have focused on in our home. I wanted to share the components of Hygge with you today and some of the things that I've done in order to make my home a warm and cozy place, because that's what Hygge is really all about, is sharing. It's about contentment, and it's about having a cozy home, or we call it here gracious living, or the cozy home. One of the first elements of Hygge is candles and a fireplace. And I don't have a fireplace in my home, but we do use candles pretty much every day. And here are some candles that I have, and usually they're over behind the sofa, but I pulled them out here today because I wanted to share with you that candles are just, you know, everybody agrees that candles are wonderful. But this particular candle arrangement that I have is just a simple dollar store white candle, a dollar store vase, and dollar store marbles that I filled. And they're blue and white because that sort of goes with the theme that I have in my home during the winter time. Another element of Hygge is to create a cozy nook in your home, and in Scandinavian homes usually there will be a window seat. I don't have a window seat here, but I do have a chair that I sit in an awful lot, and I'll show that to you later. But one of the things I do is fill it with beautiful pillows and make it just a cozy little spot. And in this particular instance, I have this basic gray pillow that I got from Target, and during the winter months I cover it with furry pillow covers. And these I just got from Target, or excuse me, I didn't, I got them from Amazon. So they create a really cozy kind of a look for your special place, and then after the winter is over you can change them out for something that's a little bit summery, more summerier. Who says that? Summerier. Okay, so anyway, this is a pillow cover, furry, cozy, wonderful. Another thing that we have all the time is warm, snuggly throws. I have a variety of them, and I put them out depending on the season. I even use them in the summertime, but I have sort of this blue and sort of cream and kind of gold and yellow theme going in my home after the new year, and so this is a beautiful chenille, snuggly throw for the winter. Another thing that is really important during this time is warm drinks, and I am known to make the craziest hot chocolate on the planet. I actually cut up real chocolate and melt it into milk and then do all of the trimmings, and we do have a video of that crazy hot chocolate that I make. But day to day I drink a lot of tea during the winter season, and I am currently really enjoying this cinnamon sunset tea that I get at, I believe we get this at Target. Yes, Roger says yes, because he's the one that usually goes out on the shopping missions. But this is an incredible favorite of mine. It's Harley & Sons cinnamon sunset tea. In addition to that, finding beautiful and wonderful books to read. Here I have my poetry book. I've saved this all the way from college. It is just packed with short stories and poetry, and it's just wonderful to have a book of any kind, something that you really, really love in your little cozy spot that you make in your home. And it's wonderful, like on days like today, it is a cloudy, cold, believe it or not, it's cold here. and it's rainy off and on. And so there's nothing that is more wonderful than curling up in a soft chair and reading wonderful poetry or whatever it is that you really, really love. And finally, or not finally, I've got a couple things more here. I love beautiful scents, and in this particular instance, I have a vanilla, this is lovely, a Laura Mercier vanilla cream. And I oftentimes will use a cream during the winter time instead of regular perfume because it moisturizes the skin, and it also it seems to last, and it seems to be really, really wonderful. So I love having a really lovely scent for the winter months. Another thing I can't do without is a pair of super snuggly socks, and then we also have shearling booties that we wear in the wintertime in our house. They're only worn in the house, and they are a wonderful decadent treat to keep you warm and snuggly. And finally, yes, it is finally, my grandmother always had homemade cookies or treats on hand all year round, but and especially during the winter time to share with her friends, and also to have with a wonderful warm drink. So in the afternoon, a lot of times she would make herself a cup of tea and then serve a couple of lovely cookies or a little piece of cake as a treat to kind of help make that warm and cuddly hygge feeling. So join me today on the blog. I have all of these wonderful things on the blog today, and I hope that you'll continue to tune in and join the Facebook group, not the group, it's actually just a page. You don't have to join anything, you just need to pop over and join the conversation. And I hope that you'll continue to follow me on my blog, sharingajourney.com, and here on YouTube. Have a wonderful, warm, and